the rescue restoration of the historic town centre of Wupperthal by TV3 architects and town planners. At the time, this disaster was regarded as the worst disaster to build heritage since the Tulbagh earthquake in 1969. The quick action of the various organizations and people saved a whole community and preserved an invaluable heritage treasure for future generations. The challenges faced were enormous, from the social and financial impact on the community, the quest for funding, protection of the remaining heritage fabric, complicated negotiations to fast-track the various approval processes, the fact that most of the title deeds and building plans had been destroyed in the fire, difficult access to Wupperthal and well over 300 punctures, the use of lime as an alternative to cement, and the fact that it hardens more slowly in winter, electricity cuts, poor cell phone reception, summer temperatures of up to 50 degrees Celsius, and then to top it all, COVID-19. At the end, however, the building project was completed with a high degree of success, and a visible footprint of our cultural heritage was restored.